PS2 Online Play never actually died. There are still active communities running private servers, organizing game nights, and keeping titles like SOCOM, Monster Hunter, and Battlefront alive to this day. The problem is, all of it is scattered across Discord servers, forum posts, and separate sites. There's no single place to see what's happening and when. PS2 Online Calendar is that place. It brings scheduled play sessions, game availability, and community info into one calendar so you can stop hunting and just show up and play. Let me show you how it works. So today I'm going to be giving you a tour of the site. So here's the PS2 Online Calendar homepage, or the calendar page. Here you can see upcoming events, their dates, their time, the game, a brief description, what community they're from, the game region, how they were posted, the amount of confidence we have in the event, and if you select details, you can go in here and you can RSVP. And then you can also view the game directory straight from this page, which we'll get to soon. And then you can obviously filter. You can filter by game, Call of Duty 3, and you can filter by source, Discord, Reddit, or manual. And then the games page. So the game page has live player count data, and one of the most useful features of this page is the Playing Now box. You can select this and see only the games that currently have players. You can sort this by most players online, title A to Z, or most recent logins. And you can search as well. Then there's a live link to ps2online.com. Communities. This is how you can find people to connect with. This is how you can find friends on the PS2 Online community. So you can start a community. So you can add your player names here, games that you use within PlayStation 2. You can have your friends list here. You can create a community here. Choose who can join. You get to, if you choose public, anyone can join. It'll show up here on the community page for anyone. And then if you choose private, you can send them a link to join. And once you are in a community with people, you can then friend them and add them to your friend circle. Down here are some communities. There's also some, you can also have links, so you could have any type of link. A YouTube channel could be your community link. A Discord server could be your community link. A Twitch channel. Onto the guides page. So here is how you can find out how to set up or get a guide to any of the features from the website. So here's a guide to setting up PCSX2, and there's a video here explaining it. And then you have the little guide there. And then preparing for online play. So I have a video for how to set up PCSX2 for online play, and a video on how to set up an original PS2 for online play. And then there's a part of this is there's a Discord bot, and you can take this Discord bot, add it to your Discord server, and when you create an event, that will automatically be posted onto our calendar page for other people to join if they would like. And then this is just about friendly people. I explained this before. This just takes you to the communities page. And then a side app is Coded Messages, which is a Windows desktop app which I have developed that allows you to friend people and message them. And I just added group chats, so you can have group chats. There's invite links, stuff like that. And then going to the About page, I just kind of explain the project, a solo developed community project, making it easier to find the next PS2 game night, the glory of PS2 Online. And then there's community resources here. It links you to the PS2 Online webpage, project links, my YouTube, my GitHub, my Twitch, and the PS2 emulator website. And so the next page is the imports page, and this is an admin only page, but it allows me to take imports from Reddit, subreddits, and Discord communities and manual events, and I can approve them. I can also sync Reddit. I can also sync Discord right then, so I can get live update right then rather than waiting for the automatic sync. And I can manage users. It's basically just my admin space. And then once you're signed in, for once you make your account and set up, you can go click this icon, which will have your player name. So, and you will go into your setup page. From here, you can set all your setup up, and this is pretty straightforward. Favorite games, your coded messages, profile name, your description, your player names that you use within PS2 games, your GitHub profile link if you have one, your YouTube profile, your Twitch profile, and then you have your profile picture, and then you can view your profile. This is the public profile. It's got links, so you can click these to go to your links. You got coded messages, name, favorite games, playing. So like I RSVP'd for this event, so now you can see, oh, this guy's gonna be playing this event, and then there's normal community stuff. There's also a light mode, so if you want to hurt your eyes, you can do so. Down here is a guide. This just takes you to the guides page. About takes you to the about page. It's obvious. Privacy, you got a little privacy stuff here. Term stuff, and contact/report. And you can report something. You can report an account, so player, community, anything here. Subject, give some details. If you need to share a link, you can share a link, and I will manually review this and see what needs to be done. And this is still a work in progress, so any bugs, there's likely going to be some bugs, some glitches sometimes. I've tested it, but it's not perfect, and there's probably going to be some errors, and as soon as you get an error, feel free to go here. I want to fix these things, so if you have an error, please go here and report it to me, and I will try to manually fix that error as fast as possible. So that is mostly it for the PS2 Online Calendar. I just wanted to make this known, make this public, get it out there, and offer it to the community as a way for us to connect and find matches without the hassle of searching for individual communities. And if maybe you'll make friends through this and you'll become part of individual communities. And so it's ps-2-online-calendar.versal.app. And that link will be in the description as well. So thank you for watching. Thank you for trying out this app, and be sure to report any errors you find, and thank you.